Oh, I'm rolling. Oh, hey, let's talk about chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma on the Blackstone griddle. Inspiration from my friends Josh and Babe over from the Josh and Babe channel. Guys, I kind of did a hybrid of this for my family the other night, last night actually, and holy cow, my family were like, what is this? Where did you get this recipe from? They were questioning me. Like I can't come up with like good recipes. I mean, come on, y'all. I'm the hungry hussy, daggone it. So when Josh posted this video, I thought, man, that looks phenomenal. Looks phenomenal. Chicken shawarma. It's like a Middle Eastern dish, Indian dish. Man, it's just got a lot of really good stuff in it. Really good groceries, okay? Part of the marinade is yogurt, and I'm using just some plain yogurt, 5% milk fat, and we're gonna marinate these chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. Josh used chicken thighs as well. He loves chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs too, for the most part. Now, I will say, Josh, he put these on skewers, chunked them up, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna leave this whole. And the reason I'm leaving my chicken whole, and I'm doing thighs as well, is because I want that surface area. I want that, that crust on all of the chicken thighs. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got about a half a cup of plain yogurt, and we're gonna do garlic. A lot of garlic in this. 5 cloves is what it calls for. And I'm gonna use this handy dandy little presser thingy here. And we got some peeled garlic. Good night and morning. Look at that garlic clove. Can't even fit in my garlic presser. Yeah, I can. Look at this. Was a lot. Boy, you ain't gonna get no loving tonight. You eat some of this. I mean, let's face it. Can you go wrong with a lot of garlic? I don't think so. Unless you're trying to impress some chick. But she should love you anyway, just to be honest with you. And there you have it. That's relationship advice with a hungry hussy. So now comes the, I call the meat and taters, all right? The seasonings. This is coriander. Good amount of coriander. I mean, this thing's got a lot of flavor. Right there. Smoked paprika. This is is a tablespoon of each one of these. Smoked paprika. There we go. Coriander. Love coriander. Olive oil. How much olive oil we need? We need about 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper, we're going to use heifer dust. There's a clump in there. And we're doing chicken thighs, and they can handle some serious getting business, okay? So, you know, really give it to it. Have no fear, there will be a full recipe, and down below be a link to my website, and sometimes I remember to put the recipe actually in the description. So either or. Love for you to go over to my website though. It'd be great. But look at that paste right there. That's gonna go great. And it's you know, it's supposed to be kind of thick. Now I just need my chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. Whoa, wait a minute. What do you got here? Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot chicken powder. You know I like chicken powder, y'all. Every chicken needs chicken powder, and every beef needs beef powder. So, all right. So chicken. You know what? I'm not wearing gloves, so there. Take that. Take that, Jeff. You know what? I wear gloves. People got issues. I don't wear gloves. People got issues. I don't know what to do. So we're just gonna get at this. We're gonna get at it like it owes us a little bit of money. Maybe like $100 or so. Nothing big. So let's talk about this coverage right here. Now we could probably done a lot more chicken thighs, but look at that. Right there's some great flavor. It's got some great flavor. Now, all right, we're gonna let that set for a little bit. Really, you want this set, I mean, a couple hours, if not overnight, for maximum flavor. We're not doing that right now. So we're gonna let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes because we gotta make a garlic sauce to go with this. Right now I'm gonna go wash my hands because somebody said, you know, your gloves really trigger me. And so I can't take my glove off and then move on, so I'm gonna go wash my hands. Got our chicken, got it marinating. Now it's time for the garlic white sauce. And you know, I'm gonna try this thing. I bought this thing and I really want to use it, okay guys? It's a blend jet. I tried to use it one other time and utterly failed because I didn't charge it. I thought it was charged. So 1 cup, around 1 cup of yogurt, okay? Now to that yogurt, I'm gonna use, they call for milk, I'm gonna use some buttermilk. I like buttermilk, gives it a nice little tang. I'm gonna do a juice of 1 lime. I need 3 cloves of garlic. Good thing about the blend jet is I don't have to use the other little whiskey. One, that's a small one too. There we go. 1 more. All right, there we go. Just like that. Cumin. I need cumin. I think I need cumin. I need coriander? No, I don't need coriander. Cumin, there we go. About a teaspoon of cumin, a little salt, a little pep. A little bit of vinegar. I'm not gonna go too much because I actually put that buttermilk in there. And it's got a little bit of twang in it, all right? Let's put our top on. Let's parsley. I need parsley. It's right here in front of me. Parsley. Let's see how well they'll blend it. Oh, it's doing really good. A little bit of parsley. Got some fresh, flat leaf parsley right there. Okay. I was trying to call me. All right, let's go. Get in there. Oh, there you go. There goes that parsley. Just gonna let that run. We're gonna have some garlic sauce real soon, y'all. All right. Blend jet turned off. And let's see what we got. Ooh. Take a look at that. Yeah, buddy. Let me try it. Let me give it a try. You gotta give this a try. That's good right there. Let it set, be even better. All right, we've made our marinade, got our chicken in it. We've made our white sauce, which kind of got a green tint to it from the parsley. Now it's time. Our griddle is up to temperature. How do I know? You see that wisp of smoke? That's how you know. Going down with some clarified butter. Clarified butter. Be a link below if you want to watch that video, how to make clarified butter. Actually, I want a little bit over here too, because I'm going to make rice right on here too. So, yeah. I went all in one right here, y'all. This is what you do. Our chicken thighs. Put them right there. Ooh, I smell, oh man, smell all those flavors that we put in there. Smooth that cumin, that coriander. It's gonna be good groceries. All right. Smell that, Jacob? Yeah. It smells good. It smells real good. All right. I got some rice. I'm gonna make some turmeric rice. So I'm gonna put, this is like a ready-made rice. Be all right to use ready-made. Don't feel bad. Okay. I'll put a little bit of turmeric. It's gonna, is this turmeric? Yeah. Make sure it's turmeric. Turmeric's really nice. Don't have a whole lot of flavor, but it does have, give a good color, and overall it's pretty good. Forgot one thing. Chicken powder. Put some chicken powder onto our rice as well. Just like that. We want to flavor our rice, y'all. We don't want no unflavored rice. You know them dang Andersons, they're gonna come over and be like, Hussey, you don't have flavored rice, and I don't have any water, so let me go get some water. Jacob's supposed to tell me when I'm out of water, and he didn't tell me, so I'll put just a little bit of water down right onto that rice. About a quarter cup, half cup or so, okay? We're just wanting to let our chicken, just want to let it get nice and happy, and it's gonna be so good. Try to keep your rice from one another over here. If we need to add a little, might have to add a little bit more turmeric later on, that's okay. All right, let's let this stuff go. Let's let it go for a couple minutes. Oh, that's, no wonder why that's hot over there. Burners low everywhere, okay? We're gonna take this chicken thighs to about 180 degrees, 185, meat temperature guide right there. where you got your knobs, where you want your griddle temperatures, right there. Nice little magnetic piece. You should get one. There's a link below. There he is. You're screen recording. Look what I'm doing.
Oh, baby girl.
We're filming right now.
Right now?
Say hey to everybody.
What's up, YouTube?
There we go. Y'all, this is my inspiration. Josh and Babe did this, and I said, I gotta do it. So there you are. There she is. What's up? What is up? I'm doing a screen record, so we'll be able to, I think it's recording. It should be. Where's it at? Yeah, it says it is. So yeah, I'm cooking y'all's dish. How is it? How's it look so far?
Oh, you're gonna like it.
I'm making my own rice too on the griddle. So, hey, we got to flip this, y'all. I'm doing a screen time right now. FaceTime with Josh and Babe. Look at that color right there. Look at that.
Oh, you're gonna love it. Oh, it's so good.
So I made a little bit of variation to this last night for my family, and they were like, "What is this?" I didn't put a lot of the coriander and smoke because they're kind of sensitive, you know. But yeah. So I just wanted to see if you could do a little FaceTime-y while I'm doing it.
I like it.
All right. Well, listen.
Yeah, did you make the white garlic sauce?
Yeah, but it's more green for me because of the parsley.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
But the flavor is so good.
It is good. It is real good. I like it.
Yep.
Yep. So I wanted to do it. I want to do you proud.
I like it.
All right.
I like it.
Well, we're gonna get finished here. I just wanted to talk to you for a second.
All right. Well, have fun. Let me know how it turns out.
Bye, baby girl.
Bye, baby girl.
Baby girl. All right, there we go. Josh and Babe, there you have it. Did a little FaceTime action. I really appreciate the inspiration behind this because, man, I just felt like I needed something different. You know, a little chicken shawarma. All right, our rice is looking good. Let's check on our chicken just to see where it's at. Temperature-wise, again, chicken thighs, we're at 137 degrees right here, 120. We still got a ways to go for these chicken thighs. Chicken thighs, again, are done at 165, but you're not gonna like it. Take it at 185, 190, be perfect, all right? So we're gonna let these cook us a while longer. All right, let's check on our thighs here. Let's see where we're at right there. 181 degrees. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's perfect. That's where we want those thighs. We want those thighs right there. Sounds a little funny, but look at that color. Beautiful color. That yogurt marinade helps with that color. Get these little tidbits right here too. Don't want to disregard those. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this rice right there. There we go. Looky there. Woohoo! Chicken shawarma. Oh, got some pita bread here. This is actually naan bread. Naan, not pita. We're just gonna warm that up for a little bit. Y'all, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. All right, don't need much. Got our own little plate right there. Yes, sir, yes, sirree. Take one of these dudes right here. Cut some of this up. Man, look at that, it's juicy. Hear that juice? Here we go. I think that's a plenty right there. Got my naan. This is the way I like to do it. You know, just kind of put it on the naan. Very portable. And I honestly, I like rice on this too. Just makes it good. I need to try this rice. I ain't never done this. Pretty good. Pretty good rice. Real good. Cannot forget about our garlic white sauce. And we're just gonna put that right onto that naan. Now let's give this a try. We'll try these. You ready? Holy cow. It's garlicky. I love that. Man, that chicken's good. That sauce. I could go put a pine cone in that sauce and eat it. Everything's so good. Pita works, rice is good. Chicken. The chicken's so juicy, cold. Use the thighs. I highly suggest using thighs. That's so good. Y'all, this is a total slam dunk right here. Save this stuff later. You know, somebody cooks something you don't like, you put this garlic sauce on it, it'll be good. Okay, just saying. This is a cat's meow. Make it. I promise you'll love it. See you later. I should like walk past and you'd be like, yeah, you're rolling. Like, oh. Got the juice of a little 1 lemon. Olive oil, salt, pepper. Okay. You know what I forgot to do? Add olive oil. I need some olive oil. All right. The world. Good night, more. Well, I got more dang issues in Sports Illustrated over here. Dang. It's like bees around.